Hey, AI enthusiasts, welcome back to AI Guru Pro, your go-to spot for the latest AI tools and tricks to level up your creative game. Today, I'm spilling the beans on 5 incredible free AI tools that deliver unlimited generations, perfect for images, videos, and voiceovers. If you're building a faceless YouTube channel, automating content, or just playing around with AI, these tools are your ticket to saving time and money while pumping out pro-level work. I've dug into each one, tested them hands-on, and I'm here with my honest take, warts and all. So grab a snack, and let's dive into Fookus AI, Fookus, pick LumenFlux, Dev, ChatGPT's Read Aloud, and Quenchat. Why free AI tools are a game changer for YouTube automation. First, let's set the stage. Faceless YouTube channels are huge in 2025. Think storytelling, tutorials, or niche explainer vids. Social Blade data shows a 40% jump in viewership for these formats over the past year. But creating visuals and audio, that can drain your time or your wallet if you're hiring out. Enter free AI tools. They're not just cost savers, they're workflow superheroes. I've slashed my production time by 20 hours a week using these, and I'm betting you can too. Tool under discussion represents an innovative collaboration between Google and Fookus, which facilitates users in creating images at no cost, thereby streamlining the creative process and making it accessible to a broader audience. A comprehensive prompting guide meticulously outlines how to generate effective prompts for AI tools, underscoring the critical role of specificity in achieving the desired outcomes in image generation. Real-time image generation results exhibit the advanced capabilities of AI tools, illustrating their proficiency in producing high-quality, lifelike images that are responsive to the specific inputs provided by users. Enhancing the quality of generated images is paramount. Thus, users are encouraged to explore various aspect ratios and settings, which can significantly improve the realism and overall visual appeal of the images produced. The image generation process provides users with a transparent view of each step involved, presenting an engaging and informative experience, even if this observation does not directly contribute to content creation. Achieving the desired quality often necessitates multiple iterations of image generation. Therefore, the absence of cost allows users to freely create and refine their images until they attain satisfactory results. Okay, so here is our link. As you can see, this is all you need. Run on a public URL. You can of course run it or on local URL, but in this case we want to run it online. So this is all you need. You don't need anything else, just this link. We just need to wait a few seconds. It's loading right now.
This AI tool permits users to customize performance settings, including the selection of aspect ratios to enhance the quality and detail of the images produced. The presenter emphasizes a preference for prioritizing quality over other metrics when generating images. Photopea is introduced as a viable and cost-free alternative to Photoshop, seamlessly integrated within the AI tool. The presenter highlights potential efficiency advantages associated with utilizing this application directly rather than through a web browser. The video underscores the importance of monitoring the generation steps in real time, which allows users to gauge the expected completion time of their projects, thereby aiding in the management of their expectations during the image creation process. The speaker accentuates the realistic details observable in generated images, such as clothing and accessories, which render them particularly suitable for use in crime and detective-themed content areas. Pigeon Lumen emerges as a favored tool for image generation, providing users with virtually unlimited generation options along with access to a diverse array of models tailored for various artistic styles. A comparative analysis between Pigeon and FLX reveals that Pigeon consistently yields more realistic results, establishing it as the superior choice for those seeking high-quality image generation. The role of prompts becomes increasingly significant in determining the quality of generated images. A well-structured prompt can substantially augment the output and enhance the creative potential inherent in Pigeon. Pigeon Art showcases a variety of image generations, each exhibiting a distinctive style, thereby highlighting its capacity to effectively produce both realistic depictions and cartoonish designs. The comparison of Pgan with alternative models such as Flux demonstrates Pgan's superiority in creating detailed and visually compelling images, thereby facilitating content creation. The speaker addresses the limitations presented by certain models concerning the generation of adult content, while also suggesting that impressive results can still be achieved through careful crafting of prompts, thereby showcasing model capabilities. Details regarding the installation process for a free model are thoroughly explained, including instructions on how to quickly connect and set it up, ensuring accessibility for users eager to explore the realm of image generation. The speaker presents a variety of generated images, evaluating their quality and contextual suitability, such as for animated films or video thumbnails, thus demonstrating the model's remarkable versatility. The discussion emphasizes the detrimental impact that visual distortion can have on image quality, noting that such distortions can compromise the overall aesthetic appeal. Consequently, visual coherence emerges as a vital aspect of effective image generation. A comparative assessment of different images highlights personal preferences, particularly bringing attention to the importance of detailed elements such as armor and accessories, which can significantly enrich visual storytelling and enhance viewer engagement. The potential for users to share both generated images and prompts signifies a community-oriented approach to image creation, fostering collaboration and constructive feedback among users, ultimately leading to enhanced quality and innovation. Image generation stands out as a central feature, empowering users to create images through the simple act of entering a prompt, which affords them considerable flexibility in their visual content creation endeavors. Video generation represents another prominent feature, enabling users to effortlessly produce videos based on specific prompts, thereby enhancing their capability to engage audiences with compelling video content. The tool also facilitates coding assistance, allowing users to generate HTML and CSS for web development purposes. This functionality can lead to significant time savings and cost reductions associated with hiring professional developers. Initial impressions garnered from video clips hold substantial importance, as they can play a pivotal role in determining audience engagement. The speaker recommends editing out sections that do not contribute meaningfully after the initial moments. High-quality video generation is underscored, with the speaker expressing satisfaction with the resulting videos created. They note the practical applications of these generated videos for personal projects, highlighting their utility. Lastly, the speaker extends an invitation for viewers to join their community to further explore the nuances of YouTube content creation, emphasizing the value of accessing additional resources and support for fostering success.